Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing from the ninth question of the exercise 6.3. So let's start the today's session. Before starting the sum, for basics and the previous exercise sums and also for the BPT theorem, you can get the link from the description. The ninth question says, in figure ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. So, in figure they give this ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. So, you can see the right angle at M and B. We need to prove that ABC is similar to AMP. So let's start. Given you can write ABC and AMP are two right triangles at B and M. To prove is this to prove. And now proof I'll take. First take in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. When you see these both triangle, we can see that angle A is common. So angle A is equal to angle A common. Now in this triangle, this is the right angle. Same way in this triangle, this is the right angle. Both are equal. I'll name the angle 1 and 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90 degree, which is given. Now by angle similarity, angle similarity, I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Now I prove these both triangles are similar. Now when the two triangles are similar, I can tell that their corresponding sides will also be in proportion. So the second question is CA by PA. You mark here CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Nothing but BC by MP. So you can write CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. We have proved this, like you need to write corresponding sides are proportional. So we proved both the things, so hence proved. The 10th question says CD and GF are respectively the bisector of angle ACB and angle EFG such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that. So we need to show these things. So first we shall draw the diagram. So we need to draw first triangle A, B, C and triangle E, F, G. Now we need to draw the bisector of angle ACB and EFG. So ACB bisector is CD and same way for EGF the bisector is GH. Now we need to write the given part. So given is it told triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG and also they told that this line is the bisector of this angle, so I can tell this angle is equal to this angle. Same way for this triangle I can tell this angle is equal to this angle. I'll name the angles as 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is angle bisectors. Now to prove is these things. To prove. Now proof. First take the given part, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. When two triangles are similar, can I tell their corresponding angles will be equal? Nothing but angle A is equal to angle F, angle A is equal to angle F, comma, I can tell angle B is equal to angle E. And I can tell angle C is equal to angle G. Nothing but corresponding angles are equal. Now, I got to know that angle C is equal to angle G. Nothing but this angle is equal to this angle. So, angle C is equal to angle G. I know the angle bisector are also equal. 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. And this is also equal to this. So, can I tell all the angles are equal? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So, let this be 1 and this be 2. Now, we'll do the first part of the 2 proof. So, first part is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Nothing but I need to take this triangle and this triangle. So in triangle, I need to write the triangle name in a proper order. So if I write ADC and triangle, so which angle is equal to angle A? Angle F. So FHG. Why? Because I know angle A is equal to angle F and C is equal to angle G. We already proved that. Angle A is equal to angle F, angle C is equal to angle G. So in these two triangles, can I tell angle 1 is equal to angle 4, which we proved already. So can I tell from 2? Same way I can tell angle A is equal to angle F from 1 by angle similarity. I can tell triangle ADC is similar to triangle FHG. Once I prove the similarity of triangles, I can tell that their corresponding sides will be proportional. So CD by GH, so this is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Why? Because corresponding sides are proportional. Now the next two proof is triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. DCB, nothing but this triangle, and HGE, this triangle. So in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, I can tell angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That is, I already proved from 2. Same way I can tell angle B is equal to angle E. That is from 1. You can see here, we already shown angle B is equal to angle E. Same way the angles also I have shown. By angle similarity, I can tell triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Now, the next to prove is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Nothing but DCA. This triangle is equal to HGF. This triangle. So, I need to write in triangle DCA and triangle HGF. I know angle 1 is equal to angle 4. That is from 2. Same way I can tell angle A is equal to angle F from 1. So I can tell by angle similarity, I can tell triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So we proved all the three subdivision. So hence proved. The 11th question says, in figure, E is a point on side CB. So E is a point on side CB of an isosceles triangle ABC. So they gave ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC, so AD is perpendicular to BC, same way EF is perpendicular to AC. I need to prove that ABD is similar to ECF. First we'll write given. They gave AB is equal to AC. Why? Because ABC is triangle, and they gave AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Now to prove, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Proof. First I'll take the given part. AB is equal to AC. But AB is equal to AC. Can I tell their opposite angles will be equal? So let this be 1 and this be 2. Can I tell angle 1 is equal to angle 2? Why? Because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now take two triangles in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. So ABD and ECF, can I tell angle 1 of this triangle is equal to angle 2 of this triangle? So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Let this be 1, that is from 1. Now can I tell this angle of this triangle and same way this angle of this triangle are 90 degrees. So I'll tell this as 3, this as 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 90 degree, that is given. So now I can tell by angle similarity, I can tell triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. We proved, so hence proved. The 12th question says, side AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC, side AB, BC and AD of triangle ABC is proportional to side PQ, QR and median PM of PQR. PQ, QR and the PM of triangle PQR. We need to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So first we'll write the given part. They told the sides are proportional. So can I tell AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. They gave that these sides are proportional. AB by PQ, BC by QR and AD by PM. Now they also gave that AD and PM are median. Median means a median divides a line segment into two equal parts. So I can tell this is equal to this. Same way PM is the median, so this will be equal to this. So BD is equal to CD. Same way QM is equal to MR. Now I can tell BC is equal to BD plus CD. So now instead of CD, can I write BD? Why? Because they both are equal. So BC is equal to BD plus BD. So BC is equal to 2BD. Same way, QR is equal to QM plus MR. Now instead of MR, can I write QM? So QM plus QM. So I get QR is equal to 2QM. This and this is the given. I write in the given BC is equal to 2BD and QR is equal to 2QM. Now to prove. To prove is what? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now proof. First take the given part, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. Now I showed you that BC is equal to 2BD, same way QR is equal to 2QM in the previous slide. So I'll be substituting these two in this BC and QR. So AB by PQ is equal to, instead of BC I'll write 2BD from here. Same way, instead of QR I'll write 2QM is equal to AD by PM. Here 2 gets cancelled, so I get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. Now you check in the diagram, this AB by PQ, same way, equal to BD by QM, and same way AD by PM. So all the corresponding sides are proportional. So can I tell by SSS similarity, I can tell triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now I prove that this triangle is similar to this triangle. So can I tell the corresponding angles will be equal? So can I tell angle B is equal to angle Q? So angle B is equal to angle Q. That is, corresponding angle are equal. Why I am taking B and Q? Why? Because in triangle ABC we'll be taking B. Same way PQR I'll be taking Q. So I'll show you. So the main proof comes here. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, I already proved that angle B is equal to angle Q. So let this be 1 from 1. So this is equal to this. Now they gave in the question AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. They gave in the question. So I can tell AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. It is given. So can I tell by this is side, angle, side. So by SAS similarity, I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we proved this, hence proved. Now again I'll summarize you the entire problem. So they already gave AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR and AD by PM. They gave these sides are proportional, and we need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. In these two triangles, you see these two sides are proportional. So when I prove this one angle is equal, so can I tell by SAS, I can tell that these both triangles are similar. So to prove this one angle, so first I have taken the given part AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM, and I know these AD and PM is the median, so I can tell BC is equal to 2 times of BD. Same way QR is equal to 2 times of QM. So substituting BC and QR by 2 BD and 2 PM, 2 gets cancelled. I get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Nothing but this by this is equal to this by this is equal to this by this. Nothing but I got the corresponding sides of these two triangles. So can I tell these two triangles will be similar? If these two are similar by SSS theorem, then I can tell their corresponding angles will be equal. So now we got angle B is equal to angle Q. So now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we know that angle B is equal to angle Q. Same way, corresponding sides are proportional, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, that is the given part. So by SAS I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, hence proved. So the session completes here. The rest of the sum I'll be continuing in the next video. Do practice all the sum and I hope you understood the sums. Do like, comment and subscribe and share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.